I'll fly, and I'll fly into the end of the sky. So I'll be the one who doesn't have to say goodbye.
Hello guys, I'm Blind National with this animation video called You Little Cat 2. It is 2 minutes and 22 seconds long. Okay, I've seen the You Little Cat before. The first one, I think it was the one with Rainbow Dash. Is it going to be a shipping type video with Rainbow Dash again? Is that his favourite ship? Or is it going to be a completely different ship? Who knows? I know that one was pretty shippy. With Flutterdash. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah. Well, let's find out. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, Fluttershy. What's in the... Oh, Pinkie Pie! Ship! That was quick. What's in the box? Oh dear. Yeah. What is that? Like a jam jar? Oh, a pony in the box. I knew it! Ship! Hello, Applejack. Sniffing a plant. Ah, that's like a cat. That's like a typical cat. Hello, Rainbow Dash. Hello, Pinkie Pie. Looking at her tail, looking at her arse, and that's ship. And that's tickle. Is that another ship again? Who did that? Who did that? Yeah, fly off. Yeah, just fly off. Hello, Rarity. Wow. Cat. What? Hello, Rainbow Dash. It's your reflection. It's still your reflection, Rainbow Dash. It's nothing to be scared of. Get into the bath and lick it. Lick the water. Oh. What? Oh no. Oh shit. Marshmallow! Really? That hat's a bit big for Applejack actually. Make it smaller for her. Reminds me of the app game actually. Ship again! Yeah, they're too tired. Rainbow Dash is too tired. Hello, Princess Twilight. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. That's good. Oh, that was so cute at the end. Wow. With Twilight. Oh my gosh, that was so funny as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Wow. Well, I said before I started the actual reaction, is it going to be another shipping episode with Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy? And I was turning out completely correct. It's like, is that his favourite ship? It must be. Come, it must be. There's clear evidence in this video alone. Oh yes, yeah, and Applejack, they're all acting like cats. As hence on the video, cats too. And Applejack, can you push Fluttershy into the water? How dare you? How dare you? Okay, some cats don't like water. With my cat, just like to drink out the bathtub and just lick, or the basin, just lick out the water, just climb in. He will actually wait for you in the bathroom, waiting for you or other members of the family to come into the bathroom, preferably when you want to do a shit, look at you and say, not say, but give the hint, can you turn the tap on please? Please, please, I'll be your friend. Please, please. He would constantly say, get into the bath, Dan, and he's like, hop into the bath. Oh dear. Well, that was a good, funny video. I did enjoy that. Wow. Well, I hope you like this reaction, and more my reaction videos I do, and I will see you next time. Oh, yes.
And I'll fly.